It's not bright enough. Oh man, that is bright. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. In this video we're going to be installing switchback LED turn signal bulbs. So on the F150s they have yellow amber bulbs and they're not LED. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change that, make it white just like the LED up here. Hopefully it looks good. Not only is it gonna look good, but it's gonna also improve the visibility. Okay, now you can see me. The visibility of the truck. We should be able to see a lot better. And then it's just gonna look cool with it being all white in the front. And then when you hit the turn signal, it turns yellow. I'm excited about that. Auxito actually sent us some switchbacks. So we're gonna test it out on the truck and see how it looks. I just want to say thank you to Auxito for sending me out these LED lights to try them out. They actually reached out to me and it was just like, hey, you want to try our LED bulbs? We watch your videos, we like it, try them out. And I said, yeah, of course. So first of all, this is the box right here. Pretty cool design. I like that. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. So what's in the box is 2 LED turn signal bulbs that turns white and amber whenever you use the turn signals. And it should fit my 2015 F150. So let's go ahead and put these in. Out with the old and in with the new. This is so much better quality. Look at this. I got one side in, and before we button it up, let's go ahead and turn on the headlights and see how they look. No way, that is cool. Oh man, that is bright. Woo, that is really bright. I'm not even gonna lie. Here's the other side. So that was the before, and this is the after. You can't really tell right here. Yeah, you can. Look at that. Oh man, this is nice. I like this. I haven't even show y'all the best part yet. Hold on. That is so cool compared to the other one. It's so much crisper than the regular halogen bulbs. Now that's cool. So it got the load resistor on there. It's flashing fast right here. But all my other lights are still flashing normal. So now that we did that side, we're gonna have to do this side. So let's go ahead and tighten this side up and go ahead and get to work on the other side, and let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna get something to eat real quick, let the sun set because it's extremely bright. And we get the full effect at night to see how it looks. Fast forward to an hour. And before we actually show you the finished product, we still got 30 minutes left. I looked at my watch, and my watch on this hand. I did give you a voucher code for the LED lights. It's creators. If you put that in the checkout, you get 15% off. Go ahead and check out the link below. Go ahead and check out some LED lights. They have some for all types of vehicles, so it's not just F150s, but they got some for all types of vehicles. Go ahead and check them out. They're not expensive. It's like, I want to say some of the headlight bulbs are like $20 versus some competitors are like $50 or something like that. Creators, 15% off. So here it is at night. It's super bright. And that's with the turn signals. Yeah, this is crazy bright. I really like how this looks. Thank you. This is your credit. Alright guys, I gotta show you this real quick. Let me turn off the lights. You can barely see me. The only thing that's on is my computer. here it is outside, pitch black, and that is my truck, right? Watch this when I unlock my door. You see the yellow lights? Look how freaking bright those turn signal lights are. That is insane. Also gotta tell you guys, I just emailed Auxito and they actually are sending me out resistors to fix that. They have great customer service. I've been dealing with Jackson and Kay, and they just been wonderful. They've been helping me out. They've been great. Huge shout out to them. Hey Raven. No. But like I said, guys, if you are interested in getting LED lights for any vehicle, it can be a car, truck, motorcycle, RV, boat, whatever. Make sure you use the code CREATORS, 15% off for you guys. Auxito really came in clutch with this. Once I get those load resistors, I'm actually going to do another video for Auxito for another product they're sending me. I will have the video posted right here in front of my face. Until then, YouTube recommends this video. I'll see you on the next one, alright?